Our next is slip 6.6. We were learning to use that distributive property to be able to combine like terms, something that we'll do a lot in algebra here. So let's go ahead and jump right in here. This one we know says we're taking 2 and multiplying it by whatever x plus 2 is. Again, so we've got to distribute this through in order to be able to combine like terms and get it into a form where it will be easier to solve at some point when we have to figure out what x is. So we know the distributive property, that means I have to take 2 times everything in there. And again, I like to draw the lines to help remind me. So 2 times x is just 2x. Again, we could write 2 times x, but then it kind of looks like a time sign. So remember, we just write 2x plus, the number one thing kids forget to do is take this times what comes second. I also have to take the 2 times the 2, which is 4. So this becomes 2x plus 4. Plus, again, I have to distribute again, 2 times the quantity of x minus 1. So 2 times x is 2x minus, remember, we're subtracting what? Well, this is 2 times 1. I got to distribute it through, and that becomes 2x minus 2. All right, so I've used that distributive property here, and now my next job is to combine all these like terms. I want to get all those x's together and all the numbers together in this case. So if I look right here, guys, I have a 2x plus a 2x. Okay, I could flip these around if I wanted to, but if I just look here, if I have a 2x and I'm adding 2 more x's, I now have 4 x's. Right? 2x plus 2x is 4x. I can only combine all the x's together. Okay, so I like to cross it out because I've already combined those. I'm done with that. I've combined like terms. I now have 4 x's. It's a little simpler form than having 2x twice. And now I can combine the numbers. So I've got a positive 4 take away 2. Okay, 4 minus 2 is a positive 2. I have more positives, so I have 4x plus 2. And now I've combined that positive 4 and that negative 2. Again, if I wanted to rewrite this, I could have written and flipped this around and had 2x plus 2x plus 4 minus 2. Again, 2x and 2x became 4x. And then 4 minus 2 is a positive 2. Sometimes kids don't understand if this should be adding or subtracting here. But if I have a positive 4 and subtract 2, I still have a positive 2 left, or add 2 onto that. And that's as simple as I can get it, guys. Some people like to combine and add the 4x and the 2 and get 6 or 6x. That's incorrect. We don't know what x is yet. We don't know the value of this. So x's stay together, and then the numbers stay together, and then at some point we'll learn to solve when we set this equal to something. All right, so that's as simple as it gets. All right, as simplified as we can get that. So same thing down here, let's distribute. I'm going to take the 6 and distribute it through. So you've got 6 times p plus 6 times 4 is 24, plus 3 times p is 3p, minus 3 times 5 is 15. Don't forget to distribute it all the way through the parentheses. And then we can do the same thing we did up above. Let's combine. In this case, we've got to get all the p's combined to get it simpler. So if I have 6 p's and I add 3 more p's, that is 9 times p, or 9 p's. Cross it out and stay organized. And then I'm left with a positive 24 minus 15, or just 24 minus 15. And I know, again, I have more positives than I'm subtracting, so I'm going to be adding. I still have a positive 9 left. 24 minus 15 is 9, so I'm going to add 9. And I've got that in simplest form now. I have 9 times p, and then add 9 more would be the simplest that I could get that expression.